Scientists just shattered decades of marine science myths with the first ever footage of an Antarctic sleeper shark. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Sunday, February 22nd, 2026. Caught on camera at 490 meters near the South Shetland Islands, this sleeper shark thrives by hunting in a rare warm water band at just 1.27 degrees Celsius, rewriting everything we thought about life in Antarctic depths. Australia unveiled the world's first underwater 3D concrete printer, making splash-proof concrete construction a reality. This tech targets wind farms and coastal defenses, promising faster, more resilient underwater infrastructure. Meet Spinosaurus mirabilis, a school bus-sized dinosaur with a striking scimitar-shaped head crest, uncovered from Sahara Desert fossils 95 million years old. This giant predator reshapes our understanding of prehistoric life. A nasal spray combining two immune-activating adjuvants with ovalbumin protected mice against multiple coronaviruses and harmful bacteria. This universal vaccine could revolutionize disease prevention. Human trials are on the horizon. AI just smashed timelines by autonomously designing, 3D printing, and hot-firing a methane rocket engine in under 3 weeks. A huge leap for AI-driven aerospace engineering and manufacturing. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which discovery blew your mind. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.